Geospatial data file formats. Different data types use different file formats. GIS software can read a variety of file formats. A shapefile is an open source format for vector data that can be opened in any GIS software. Shapefiles are often in a zipped folder because they include several different files, many of which are necessary for the file to work properly. This folder needs to be unzipped to use in ArcGIS Pro, but files can be imported directly from the zipped folder into QGIS. The .shp includes the actual geometry of the data, the .dbf includes the attribute table, and the .prj contains the map projection, which is covered more in GIS Level 2. Other files include indexes that speed up the loading and display of the data. Keep these files together when you move or share the data in order for them to load properly. Raster file formats include common image formats, and there are many more raster file formats that are not listed here. There are often associated files that tell the GIS software where to place the raster on the map, similar to how a .prj file works in a shapefile. If you import an individual image, such as a JPEG of a scanned map, you will need to do what is called georeferencing and tell the software how to align it with the rest of your data. GIS software can read common tabular data formats. As mentioned in one of the previous modules, if there is geographic information included in the data table, GIS tools can be used to transform the table into a shapefile. You may also come across geodatabases, which are a file storage format used in ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro. Geodatabases are similar to zipped files in that they can store and compress a variety of different data types, including vectors, rasters, and data tables. They are useful for organizing data and speeding up processing time when working with large files. A disadvantage is that they can only be opened in Esri software. GIS software can import and export data in a variety of formats. Some common import formats include KML and KMZ from Google Earth, and CAD files. Maps can be exported in image formats for reports or presentations, such as CAD or Illustrator for further development. Many people utilize additional software in their workflows. The ability to import and export data and maps allows you to work in a variety of software before or after using GIS. Common workflows include creating background imagery from satellite remote sensing software, exporting elevation data into 3D modeling software, using attribute tables in statistical analysis software, or creating elaborate map designs with visual design software.